Hiranmay Mahanta to declare the Pedagogical Innovation Award.
Good evening, everybody. Dr. Bhatkar, Professor Agarwal, Swamiji, and more team, especially the young people. This award itself, when we thought of to find a name, few days back, we used to think of कुछ होना चाहिए, कुछ लोग तो कर रहे हैं, उनको कुछ appreciation होनी चाहिए. The first time we discussed Dr. Agarwal, the name Pedagogical Innovation Award, we have 5 people in the team. 4 of them told, what is it? What is it? So obviously the first question was, do we really understand what we are trying to give to you? Okay? So this was the occasion. We have around 2 weeks left out with us, and as usual, Dr. Agarwal works in that time span of his own limit and his own skill. So he told, kuch karte. And he always defined kuch karte. In that process, you have to define. and in fact, anybody can design that mechanism. Any guy who put in this whole, any Six Sigma or something will put together and get this thing done, but how to let it happen? So we had some couple of weeks. We thought of let's go ahead, and I was thinking that night. I recall a movie called Ye Mera India, and there is a guy in the background. He says there is a guy came from western side and came to India. He thought of that life is just like this, and before he came to India, he never had a belief in God. And after he went out from India, he went straight to church. Another couple of his friends told, gentlemen, what are you doing? He told, sir, if India is running, then God is there. And when we see a lot of such, you might have been hearing that IIT Bombay has filed 49 patents this year. And maybe self-perpetuate what is going on here. And let me tell you, when you ask a college, can you take a risk? Can you take a risk of burning them down, creating a benchmark, and we will say, either we can do in situ. Mr. Saab, ye kaise ho sakta hai? There the pedagogy starts taking process. People started walking. And let me tell you, 99.99% of credit of whatever the things are because of you all. And if that guy could directly go to state church, I had only option to come to Paryavaran Mandir. Here I called Patwari ji, sir, kuch karna hai. Patwari ji always, even in 10 o'clock, he will say, tum plan kar lo, hum kar lenge. So then I talked to Joshi Saab and let's post an award and find out who are the gems. Because if you go to the HRD Business office in this country and ask, can you give us 1,000 inspired teachers of this nation? They can't give you. Maybe having 5,000 for budget. And the question was, let the policy do as the way we can do, but hum to bas sakte hain. Somehow we can find out, we have around 18,000 professors, 18,000 teachers हैं हमारे पास. इस देश में 2 million graduate engineers निकलते हैं हर साल, because India is a set of numbers. You cannot believe Kenya, they produce 17,000 students, graduate engineers every year. और केनिया का पूरा कंट्री का जीडीपी अहमदाबाद का आधा है. फिर भी वो इससे ज्यादा काम कर लेते हैं, एटलीस्ट सीख लेते हैं. So हमने सोचा अगर केनिया सीख सकता है इंडिया से, तो क्यों राजकोट वाले अहमदाबाद से नहीं सीख सकते? So the question was, how are you going to find those heroes? And the right occasion. Only finding heroes is not an issue. The issue is in the right occasion. And I think no occasion better than Basant Panchami could have been a better occasion to appreciate it. And coincidentally, that was the Sankul Day. So obviously Patwari sir will say, okay, let's do it. So the journey started like that. And let me tell you, this is very thing. You might be knowing how, for what reason we observe this Basant Panchami. When Bhagwan Ram used to come, and Sabri has to wait for years and years and years. Years and years and years. There might be many excellence in many institutions who might be just waiting for the right moment. Yes, we have done something, and मैं आपको बताऊं, किसी भी गुरु को कभी पुरस्कारित तो नहीं किया सकता. Because nobody will dare to do that. Nobody can really repay you we created a competition, we created an innovation in the process. हमने कुछ बच्चों को बोला यार गुरु का बेस्ट डेफिनेशन क्या है? G2 कॉन्फ्रेंस हमने बोला LD इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज, सबने बोला साहब विकिपीडिया में मिल जाएगा. Otherwise, we don't want those type of categories. We really want something what pedagogic innovation award will give. And then one of the, I will tell you the definition the girl proposed, and I selected that best. I don't know how much but I'm not like that was a good ask the jury that selected you people. And selected, I mean not rejected others, because it's not about better competing best. Never make better the enemy of best. If you make that, that's the excellence level finish. And the definition of one girl told, गुरु तो वो है जो मिट्टी को मूर्ति में कन्वर्ट कर सकता है. Very classical definition. And then we thought ऐसी लोगों को ढूंढना है पेडागोगिक अवार्ड में जो मिट्टी को मूर्ति में कन्वर्ट कर चुके हैं, कर रहे हैं, करेंगे वो तो बात है, पर कुछ लोग कर चुके हैं. It was really tough for us to floating a word spread seat and finding out people. It's not that much easy. And then putting a team, we had a very light panel of people to select or at least to prioritize the people who have done. And let me tell you, every one of you has done something which is totally unique, totally unique. You cannot feel it. जब हमने पूछा कि आप किस के जोशीजा बता रहे थे, फेलियर्स के अवार्ड, क्यों? आपको बताता हूँ. When we used to small kid, when we used to watch English movies, you know, and in the interval, we assumed he might be the hero. Okay, fine. And at the end of the time, when this fellow get killed, I used to ask, hey, how could hero be killed? And then the definition said, no, that was villain. That happens in academic excellence. You know, if at right time, at right mode, in right way, if you cannot acknowledge the hero, he may change it. He may change it. So we thought of, let's make it a point, find out the excellence and elegance in every sector and every part. हर स्पोर्ट्स से लेकर क्लास अटेंडेंस तक. अभी मैं आपको बताऊं, हमने देखा है अवार्ड में आपको मिलेगा, हम नाम बताएंगे. अगर भारत सरकार को सीखना पड़ेगा कि गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज में, स्कूल्स में और बच्चों को लाना कैसा है, तो उनको जीटीयू में कुछ डिपार्टमेंट में कुछ टीचर्स हैं जिनको आज अवार्ड मिलेगा, उनके पास जाकर सीखना पड़ेगा. एचआर डिग्री के बाद जवाब दीजिए. जब हमने ये देखा अलग अलग क्षेत्र में इन लोगों ने अजीब काम किए. आधे कॉलेज में फेसबुक बैन हुआ करता था. एक टीचर ने बोला कि साहब मेरी फेसबुक की वजह से मेरे कभी अटेंडेंस बंक नहीं होगा. This guy could make totally irreversible and radical innovation without putting anything else. And when I say some people, I will definitely bring them out here, appreciate why I'm telling all these things. We did a lot of background survey. We asked their neighbors, we asked the other faculties, what the gentleman is doing, what impact they have been created by now. फिर अग्रवाल साहब को बताया कि ऐसे ऐसे हो रही. उन्हें बोले ऐसा तो हो रहा होगा. That is the benchmark. That is the, and let me tell you, this is the only of its kind of award that we have declared in any of the 630 universities in this country. Any of these universities. You may not believe, आपको लगता है वो 10 रुपए का सर्टिफिकेट में क्या है? I agree. गुरु को 10 रुपए का सर्टिफिकेट से हम तोड़ नहीं सकते. But again, the metaphor, if somebody could make that half-eaten seed, we will at least try. And this is Basant Panchami, because Bhagwan Ram came and ate the half-eaten food to mark the celebration, we use this festival called Basant Panchami. And what we want to believe is, whatever you have eaten by now, the practices, the pedagogies, the science and arts of delivery content and whatsoever, this is the occasion we wanted to celebrate. And no other person better than Dr. Bhatkar Pudabedika, because when you will talk, a lot of ideas you will know. But it was really an exciting journey for us. We got more than 300 people registering their processes, shared exercises, what they have done. और मैं नाम नहीं लूंगा, कुछ लोग आप में से हैं, शक्ल पहचानते हैं हम. उन्होंने बोला कि साहब पहली बार लाइफ में हमें हमसे बात करने की मौका मिला है, हमने किया है. We never. When they started writing, what are the best things they have done? This is the first occasion. So thanks to Mr. Rawal, Bhatkar. So we'll start with the names. And let me tell you, there are a lot of categories. But when we saw entries of every of you, हम खुद confused हो गए. Who is villain and who is hero? That's happened. The process is everybody was hero in his own field, what he has practiced. Everybody was a real gem, what he has inducted. The question next was, can we create a repository of such practices and tell to the government of India, tell to the government of the whole nations, these are the best practices that happen even within a constant of 500 rupees balance capacity. That happens. That is the point that I wanted to make. Thank you for this briefing of what we did. Now I would like to request first Professor Jivraj Bhai Patel. He has been done phenomenal work. You can't believe the way they have. I would like to request Dr. Bhaskar, please. He has done excellent work, excellent work. He could even arrange movie screening for each of these club members. He could arrange bring together the people in a cinema hall and have a movie what the films that he would do. And this was something unique stuff that you showed. And Professor, we are really grateful. Yes. Fantastic job you guys done. And in Ankleshwar and Bharuch Innovation Sankul, many things he has done, but then I am just specifically targeting few ones. Dr. Trupti Almola, again from the same Sankul, done a very fantastic job in terms of people used to say, what is this MBA guy used to do in IDPs? What is this pharmacy guy used to do in IDPs? And if you really want to answer the question, ask her after this year. Thank you, ma'am. Dr. Ragesh Kapadia. He has been, sometimes we believe only the co-chairman, top bosses, policy makers, they only make impact. If you really want to know what happens in a classroom, that is why he has made a path-breaking contribution. Again from Ankleshwar and Bharuch University, Sankul. Professor M.N. Dal Chawalwala, I think he's not here, but you will receive on behalf of him, as for the communication that we have got from him. He has done a fantastic job. If you feel innovation is only defined by degree, postgraduate, PhDs, ask him, he will tell how he redefines innovation. Even in Polytechnic, who even can't speak more than one language called Gujarati. They can understand, they can do, just need to give a chance. Thank you, this Sankul. Professor Ghanshyam Acharya, on behalf of him, Ashish Kothari will receive the award. Professor Acharya belongs to Bhavnagar Sankul, and the way he has, and why I told you that 500 rupee capacity of the principal to do something else, and within that 500 rupees, can you believe, he used to give one Gantia packet every month to the best research coordinator. He told, I can't afford more than this. But to get that, this guy has radically changed. Maximum number of Polytechnic parties have been filed from that thing. Thank you, sir. Professor Talsania, A.M. Talsania. He has done fantastic job in terms of, he is a mechanical and applied mechanics professor. But when he felt that his students are not able to understand what is this IDP, the people understood that G2 had filed a boomerang to them. He learned his own website, designed a platform, and let the whole Polytechnic guys understand what is this, and he is doing it right now. Thank you, sir. Dr. Sameer Patel, on behalf of him, he will receive this award, and in Chhatral, there is a very rich communication between industries and all. These people could really do a fantastic job in the bottom level. Thank you, sir. Chetan Bora, from again Chhatral Sankul, so you will receive on behalf of him. You might receive the award on behalf of Chetan Bora also from your Sankul. Because today I heard that a lot of social occasions are there, so to find out the people, bringing up here is also innovation, but we succeeded in 19% cases, so we believe that we are innovating. And yes, Professor Ketan P. Bhatgujar, and Professor Ketan, he has done a fantastic job, If you want to learn why student will not bunk even a government college, you may catch a lot in some time. You may catch a lot. And even in remote places, I'm not talking about this Ahmedabad University area. In a remote space, these guys are able to create incentives without putting in money, and that is what is worth saluting. Jamnagar Sankul, Professor Siddharth Jadeja, and I didn't expect much more than him, what he did. वो हमेशा बिन बुलाए बाराती होते हैं। कॉलेज वाला अगर नहीं बताएगा कि मेरे बच्चे को प्रॉब्लम है, फिर भी जाते हैं कि भाई तुम्हारे पास प्रॉब्लम नहीं है क्या? And I really like this. northern Syrian, the people can't say much I could learn from you. And one of his colleagues, Professor Kapil, he will always give the reports at 3 a.m. in the night. But we don't need to edit them because he is perfect. And how to make perfection even in calling polytechnic people, diploma students, and get them embedded into a culture, I think that's up to you. And I really like that, and jury was really happy to see the way you have documented the stuff. In Junagadh Sankul, Professor Pragnesh T. Palora, and if you really want to learn how e-learning, Professor Bhatkar will talk about a lot of stuff, what they're trying in CDAC, because they have a huge system. But the question is, if anybody have a guts like him, he can start using his own pocket money, his own college made in Junagadh. And fantastic stuff they have done in e-learning. Professor Nidhi Dhiranandani, Kutch Sankul. And when we used to make a Sankul in Kutch, people used to say, why don't you merge them together in nearby Sankul? Why? Do you really believe that minds in the margin are marginal minds? No way. And let me tell you, the amount of prototypes and proof of concept and the patents that they have submitted to us is much better than what Ahmedabad has done. And the credit goes to Professor Venkat Swaru, here a point comes. Principals can do, co-chairmans can do, deans can do. Can the innovation can be decentralized up to the head of the department level? Can it be taken to a if the college can't do, forget it. I will make my department the best in terms of innovation. This is the conviction that gentlemen started, and they have done a fantastic job in this talk. Thank you, sir, for those learnings. We will make case studies upon each of these practices and share with all the 25,000 people, because that's what Basant went. Professor Kunal Patil, generally people believe in this process that the TPS job is only to give jobs. And no better you can know if you put in the place how to create the people compatible to make the jobs. And here he has played a fantastic job in his own Sankul. And they are sharing it. They are sharing in public domain. This country believes in open source. This country really believes in open source. We are not confined to not share. Again, one of the directors of Sankul, Professor DJ Saab, he has started the stuff before asking us कि ये नियम बन सकता है क्या? He's calling the people together, making a poster competition, and then he informs us, why don't you make this as a rule? This is the learning that you can teach us. We don't dictate rules. We don't dictate rules. If you can find out the best practices, nobody can define the rule better than you. And really, if you can do such, and I believe that there will be more 100 people who will be practicing such type of stuff. But we need to find those people. ऐसे लोगों को ढूंढना बहुत जरूरी है जिन लोग कोशिशें कर रहे हैं grassroots level पे. That is the real gist. Professor P. Shivasani, Morbi Innovation Sankul, and the work that he has done is not only pertaining to only innovations in product and process, really in policy. He holds a government engineering college, but he has delivered like anything what anybody can do. Despite we blame, we have 30% staffs and 40% some staffs. Professor UK Chaya, one of his colleagues, who has done a fantastic job by bringing in these two gentlemen, put 20 messages in their Facebook account. Every day, I'm just choosing them. And I have never seen lesser than 100 comments in their Facebook post. And that has enabled not a single guy of their classes spot. Because they know what is going to happen tomorrow. Something exciting is going to happen. And nothing better than that could have been done. Yes, own Naroda Sankul, Professor Chaya. In Naroda Innovation Sankul, Professor Manish Garwal, he has asked us something to do. We couldn't help him. Then he told, okay, if you cannot help him, I can help myself. So he has pulled together polytechnic student and told, ये GIDC में 80% इंडस्ट्री का वेबसाइट नहीं, कुछ करना चाहिए. जिसको भी कुछ महसूस हुआ, कुछ करना चाहिए, he is one of them, and he has delivered. He has made them IT enabled. By the way, we never gave them a penny, you know. Everybody did buy something inside. Maybe voting for Vasant Panchami. Professor Shaureen Shah. And a lot of these students told, if my professor will do a thing, we are with him. Can we create such a momentum in every institution? There was a demand from this college, साहब हमारा उड़ीसा कोऑर्डिनेटर का अकेला नहीं चलेगा. And that's what the response that you get. If you can really create a culture, structure is a mere thing. These protocols, this much of authorities, that really doesn't create that much of innovation. Professor Simple Dosi, again in the sector of, she asked us a question. You have asked us to submit problems and solutions. I ask another question. How genuine the solutions are? How genuine the challenges are? हमको पूछा कि आप इसको नियम बना सकते हैं यूनिवर्सिटी में? हमने बोला हम नहीं बना सकते. उन्हें बोला मैं अपने कॉलेज में तो कर सकता हूँ. And his principal is here. She could really mobilize and get 100% feedback from every industry. What amount of penny each team produced in a year? And if you calculate, in 10 years, the amount of penny the students contributed to the local cluster is much more than the money which has been put to set the college. If such type of practices happen, I think Vision 2020 is going. Professor Upesh Pasani, he had been pioneering in the activities of IPR. You know, when he used to, हम जब पहली बार बताया कि हम कुछ patent workshop करेंगे, सिखाएंगे, तो हमको feedback मिला, ये सब कुछ नहीं होगा. Then I asked him how to do it. He told, let me file 10 patents first from my students, create an example first, and then ask us to replicate. And that's the gentleman has done, and then we started this movement of IPR. Professor Uday Trivedi. Professor Uday Trivedi. He's not here. He's not here. Again in the Sangul, Professor Siddharth Singh, please. Professor Siddharth Singh. He used to believe that I am running an MBA college. And if every day a CEO do not visit my classes and interact with students, what I am doing for? And he could really bring in a guy every couple of days, and when the student asks, who are you? He says, I am so-and-so CEO of this company, and that gives the ultra confidence to the student that yes, these are the guys who are going to mentor us. Professor Mukesh Thanger, has he reached here? Yeah, please. Sorry for this trouble for finding this place. They have done a fantastic job in the polytechnic level in Navsari Sankul. Again, the same question we used to face. Dodo Sankul kyun banana hai? Malado. Then they have really proved what uniqueness that they maintain. And on the polytechnic level, these guys have ensured 1,100 industries interact with the students before the pass out. And they didn't go for Sodh Yatra, the industry came for Sodh Yatra to his college. Okay? If it can happen in Navsari in a polytechnic, it can happen anywhere. That is what the learning is. Thank you. Professor K.R. Mistry, not only pertaining to only innovations in policy of each Sankul, he always advises us, ये बगल वाला संकुल में कुछ गड़बड़ चल रहा है, उनको मदद करने के लिए allowed it. We really allow it. If you feel a neighbor is in trouble, that's the danger signal for this country. If you can really put your neighbor in right, you don't need to have a missile systems. And we could really make it happen. Thank you, Professor Mistry. Hope we'll put everything right in place. Professor Trupti Pandya, and every week I get a report from these people. I never knew, I just remember these names, and when they put together in the form what these people have done, it was amazing. These guys, they have written, we don't need acknowledgement. Whether the mail I received by or the G2 International Council, we just acknowledge that we are more than happy that we have done, and you know it. Yes, we know, and thank you for this great work. Professor Pandya. Professor Ami Shah, and in Patan, she's the co-chairman, and they have tried. I had always heard that these people are doing fantastic job. And when the jury was meeting together, one of the jury member told, if a single college which has trouble does the maximum, these are these people. They used to give us the call at 3 a.m. in the night and say, "Sir, वो IDP का वर्क कितना बड़ा हो गया, फंड साइज छोटा कर सकते?" And these guys could really give feedback to these people even in the night. And when I asked madam how we did it, they told they have done fantastic. Another gentleman from the industry side, you know, as I used to tell you, sometimes we believe industries are villains, sometimes they believe we academics are villains. And when the movie ends, nobody believes who was the hero. But some time back in Chakral Circle, people told us, "Sir, वो industry में जाना मुश्किल है." वो बोलते problem नहीं है. Then we asked his co-chairman academics, "Sir, आपका industry co-chairman क्या कर रहे हैं?" तो उन्होंने बोला, "हमारा industry co-chairman हर एक industry के सामने बोर्ड लगा रहा है और बोल रहा है, G2 में जितने बच्चे हैं आ जाओ, मैं problem दे दूंगा." I have a huge amount of problems in my clusters and not much more than inclusive leadership I could see. Professor Dr. Igor Stabe, he has been in association with academics, industry clusters, and the way that we learned from him was fantastic. And if you can imagine, every of the 161 cluster which government of Gujarat claims does a bit of this work, you will define who is hero and who is villain. At least at the end of the story. Thank you, Professor Dr. Yogesh Dave. I would like to request you, because we will not make this award ceremony monotonous at all. I have promised to go. I would like to request you, if you could release us awards. And as you will say introvert, but intellectual introvert. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. यहाँ आपको जमावट आई. दोस्तों, आपने देखा, first of all, we all would like to thanks a GTU great innovative man, Dr. A.K. Agarwal sir. जोरदार तालियां. Friends, गुरु नाम गुरु, गुरु ब्रह्मा, गुरु विष्णु, गुरु देवो महेश्वर, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म, तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. आज बहुत सारा त्रिवेणी संगम है. पद्मश्री डॉक्टर विजय पाटकर सर दिल्ली से यहां पधारे हैं. दिल्ली यानी पावर, और दिल्ली स्टेट यमुना नदी. गुजरात पधारे, गुजरात यानी सरस्वती नदी. और अब आप सब कनाडा और पूरे विश्व से ज्ञान की नदी लेके यहाँ आए हो. ज्ञान की बहुत बड़ी गंगा बनाई. 111 स्टूडेंट है, तो त्रिवेणी संगम आज हो ही गया. और आज वसंत पंचमी के दिन भाटकर सर हमारे गुजरात में, शायद पूरे इंडिया में होगा, बहुत सारी जगह गांव-गांव, शहर मेले लगते हैं. और आज उसी दिन GTU इनोवेशन काउंसिल ने इतना बड़ा आज इनोवेशन डे रखा और यह एक ज्ञान का मेला लगाया. और ऐसा मेला कि जिन्होंने इंडस्ट्री का रूप बदल दिया. मैं साथ में ही शुक्रगुजार करूंगा खास करके हमारी इंडस्ट्री के शैलेश भाई पटवारी जी का. अक्सर गुरुजी ये कहते हैं कि इंडस्ट्री इनोवेशन को और न्यू कमर्स को वेलकम नहीं करती है, मगर डॉक्टर साहब मुझे आज कहने दो कि ये जो पूरा प्लान और उसके अंदर मोटिवेशन है वो हमारे पटवारी साहब का है. जोरदार पटवारी जी के लिए जोरदार ताली हो जाए. वो नरोडा इंडस्ट्रीज एसवेन के प्रेसिडेंट है और सभी इंजीनियरिंग दोस्त उनको मिलके रहना. एफडी के जरिए, आईडी के जरिए. आई एम फ्रॉम द रूरल इंडस्ट्री एरिया छतराल GIDC. एंड डॉक्टर विजय सर, वहां हमें टेक्नोक्रेट स्किल की बहुत जरूर पड़ती है और मिलता नहीं है, क्योंकि इट इज इन द रूरल एरिया, 60 किलोमीटर फार अवे फ्रॉम हियर. बिफोर 3 years some miracle words come from GTU, our honorable Agarwal sir, और उन्होंने बताया कि in a rural area there were 27 engineering colleges are there. और उन्होंने यही मेरा, ये वसंत पंचमी रोज करते हैं, एवरीडे वसंत पंचमी मनाते हैं. कभी सूरत में, कभी गोधरा में, कभी बिलीमोरा में, तो कभी छतराल में. और वहां से अच्छे टेक्नोक्रेट इंजीनियर भी गॉट. और मुझे कहने दो कि हमारी इंडस्ट्री में 35 इंडस्ट्री में हमें वहीं से नियर टू 20 किलोमीटर 25 किलोमीटर न्यू स्किल न्यू ब्लड मिला। और आज रौनक अलग है। एज ए डॉक्टर व्हेन आई हैव कम इन इंडस्ट्री, कॉमर्स का कुछ नहीं आता था एज ए डॉक्टर, मगर आज इतनी स्किल मिली है। वी आर डूइंग गुड एक्सपोर्ट इन ईस्ट वर्ल्ड, अफ्रीका एंड लैटिन अमेरिका ऑल्सो। And I got total 90% staff from GTU colleges nearby my KRC college. I have to take name. So many colleges are there. और हम सब इंडस्ट्री पीपल मिलके आज वही हमारे ऐसे तो 631 यूनिवर्सिटी इंडिया में है, तो सभी वाइस चांसलर गुरु ही हुए। और यहाँ बहुत सारी फैकल्टी बैठी है, सभी अपने अपने फील्ड के माहिर गुरु हैं। मगर आज हमारे स्टेज पे 3 जगत गुरु हैं। हमारे पद्मश्री डॉक्टर भाटकर साहब, हमारे वाइस चांसलर अक्षत अग्रवाल साहब और स्वामी सरस्वती नंद जी। तो 2 जगत गुरुओं को कहेंगे हम कि हमारे गुरुवर्य का आज बहुमान और मेमेंटो देके हम प्रदान करें। और इंडस्ट्री की तरफ से मैं शैलेश भाई को बोलूंगा कि हमारे साथ ज्वाइन हो जाए, और महंतो साहब को बोलूंगा। यस सर, यस सर। दोस्तों, ये एक मौका है कि हमारे गुजरात के लीडर विजन नरेंद्र भाई ने जो विजन बताया कि एक एक टेक्नोक्रेट गुजरात से मिले। पहले क्या होता था सर, सच्ची बता दो, महाराष्ट्र, कर्नाटक और मध्य प्रदेश में लग्जरी भर भर के विद लग्जरी GTU गुजरात का टेक्नोक्रेट वहां आपके आंगन में आया। गुजराती में कहते गुजराती तमारे त्या अंडर ग्रेजुएट होने के लिए आया, बरोबर। और वो सब अब छोड़ दिया। एनी ब्रांच आप देखो, एवरी ब्रांच GTU ने परमिशन दी और पूरे गुजरात में सरस्वती की नदी चारों तरफ नर्मदा की तरह ज्वाइन कर दी। क्या नाम? और इसका विजन श्रेय जाता है हमारे गुरु वाइस चांसलर डॉक्टर AK अग्रवाल सर को। थैंक यू वेरी मच। जोरदार थैंक यू। महंतो सर को मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि हमारे अग्रवाल साहब को जो अवार्ड के लिए हमने इंडस्ट्री पीपल ने मेहनत की है, पटवारी साहब ज्वाइन होंगे। और दोनों जगत गुरु डॉक्टर भाटकर साहब और गुरु जी को कहूंगा कि हमारे गुरुवर्य का आज ये मौका हम चुकना नहीं चाहते हैं। जब आप इतनी हस्तियां पद्मश्री सर यहाँ आए हैं, तो तीनों महानुभाव को कहूंगा कि ये अवार्ड से हमारे ऑनरेबल वाइस चांसलर डॉक्टर AK अग्रवाल साहब और उनके धर्मपत्नी मिसेस अग्रवाल दोनों को आगे आने के लिए मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ। वेलकम सर। जोरदार कर्तव्य से हम हरपाल जी और जोशी सर को मैं ज्वाइन होने के लिए रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ। रचिता सिंह। अंत में 2 लफ्ज अग्रवाल साहब के रिपीट करके मैं कंक्लूड करूंगा। वर्ल्ड पावर ओबामा और अग्रवाल साहब दोनों एक ही बात की, दोनों में बहुत सारी सिमिलैरिटी है। उन्होंने वी कैन डू करके 2 बार 5-5 साल वो जीत के आ गए यूएसए में। वही मंत्र अग्रवाल साहब ने आज उनकी स्पीच में हमें बताया। यस वी कैन डू। हम एक साथ बोलेंगे और टेक्नोक्रेट इंजीनियर जिन्होंने आज यहाँ पे सम्मान हुआ और सर्टिफिकेट मिला, यस वी कैन डू। थैंक यू।
Thank you. As I told, this is the intellectual break that I wanted to take. Professor Pandya, sorry for interruption between, but because we started a little bit late. I would request Professor Bharadia, could you please, I just missed one name, Dr. Joshi would like to appreciate him. because I just, sorry about that. Dr. Varadia, he has done a fantastic job in the pharmaceutical. We are in the process of setting up some innovation councils in pharmaceutical sciences, and he has done so. A lot of leadership efforts has been done in that area. Thank you, and I'll take a lot of time with you, and thanks for giving me the chance. Thank you.
And last but not the least, I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Akshay Agrawal and Shakuntala Ma'am to honor Mr. Hiranmay Mahanta. Thank you. Oh, this is a token of love from on behalf of students. Thank you. I invite Mr. Hiranmay Mahanta again for concluding remarks and vote of thanks. Hiranmay, please make it short.
The such thing I can do is say thank you. But still, I will name few people who have significantly contributed. You know, this ecosystem is ever changing. Authorities, students, contributors. But there are few people. Ketan, could you stand up? Can you stand up? Big round of applause for him. मीडिया में सबसे पहले अखबार में सिर्फ नेगेटिव सवाल आया करते थे. उन्होंने बोला कि नहीं, हमको कुछ बदलना है. He self-published 221 stories on G2 Innovation Council in his own hand in an interval of 8 months. And that is a great talk. Let's talk. Again, some of the colleagues are not here. Vinay, Tejas, our old people like Professor Manavati and other people who drafted this entire document of making Sankuls. Really, the deserves appreciation. And all the authorities who cooperated very strongly in the examination because you wanted to add a lot of pressure on them. Because you need to put a feedback mechanism and all. Thanks to the whole team of Vadodara Saab and the registrars and all who could manage that. People from the industry side, we could really make it happen. Trustees, faculties, Dr. Bhatkar, who could at the end could really make it to say, yes, the country's top policymakers are with you. The country's top, when he is saying a word, that you have created a benchmark which countries can really replicate, he is really meaning it. It's not a very casual word. He is really meaning it, and this is what the citation that really you people could deserve. Thanks to the team led by Almas Madam, all people who could really manage after 5 p.m., 6 p.m., regular staff and getting this thing done. All Sankul co-chairmen, students, even I could manage some of my colleagues from IIM, Techpedia, who could really, because we do a lot of jugards. Are there to take a pic and take a video and all this stuff. Really thankful to them who could really make it happen, and the whole authorities of university. Before that, I worked with 45 vice chancellors in different parts of the country, couple of hundreds registrars, couple of more policy makers. But the way we could really make it happen, एक ही बात वो कहते थे, we will not say what we will do. We will first do and then say what we have done. And I think that was the best thing. Thank you, Dr. Rawal, for that relation, and Mr. Akwali for hosting it, the listeners for making the interface happening. Harpal ji, it was inspiration really to have you here, and even sometimes just a mere presence makes everything else. Swami ji, Dr. Bhatkar, and whole team of people, media and all who could really make it happen. Thank you. And the Satashwanis, I can say again, thank you. And the jury who could make it happen. The ex-Vice Chancellor of ASNGU, Professor Patel is here, M.M. Patel, who was there, and also 3 chairmen of various national clusters, GCCI, FICCI, one of our dean, Dr. Vish, who couldn't attend today. They really put together. They are asked to say whom to select, whom to visit, because everybody is selected in this process, but then really they could really do a fantastic job for last 6 days and then make it happen. Thank you for everybody for finding a location like this and coming here and celebrating for the second Sankul Day. Thank you. Thank you all.